Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is my app review of the week. But before we get into that, I first just wanted to say that I usually review these applications on my tablet because they are meant for tablets. I mean, yeah, you could, install them into your phone, but for these applications I'm going to be reviewing, it wouldn't be most likely. It would probably be more useful on a tablet. So that's why I usually do my app reviews on tablets. And also, I'm going to, show all the critics and show everybody that you can do anything that any other tablet can do with just looking for an app. I mean, there's all out there and it's all on Google Play. You just have to find it. A lot of people on XDA were talking about the Note 2 and the Nexus 10 and seeing which one was better, and they were bragging about how they can do multitasking and floating video and all this other stuff. Well, I'm going to prove you guys wrong right here. And the first application I'm going to be reviewing today is going to be called, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's called Popcorn Player. So let's get into this application. It just opens a little window, and this is usually used for offline and online just through URL from YouTube. You can also use it for local add-ons and offline video, as I said, and internet. But I usually just use it on YouTube. That's what it's meant for. So let's go into this video. Let's play it. So all you would do is click on the share button, click on Popcorn Player, that's the URL, and then just click on OK. And then it basically just converts over to a separate video. As you can see. As you can see, it comes out with another video. And then, you can do multiple videos. I mean, you can do as much as you want. So let's do this one. And you can drag it from anywhere. You just click anywhere on the screen and you would be able to drag it.
We saw a lot of cool stuff at this morning's.
As you can see, we can do another video, not the same one.
The Galaxy S4 to support floating gestures.
Just click on share, go to Popcorn Player, click on OK, and then it converts it over. Once it's done it before, it does it much more quicker as demonstrated. There's like no lag on it. You can play both videos at the same time, and you can still play in the background. There's absolutely no lag. I've been playing around with this application for quite a while, and I haven't noticed anything wrong about it. It does support every video on YouTube. I mean, I've been going through music, app reviews, just anything on YouTube, and it supports it. This would be very useful for the people that, either listen to music on YouTube but still don't want to be just on YouTube. And, they can be all over the screen and they can be doing whatever they got to do. Or if they're looking at an app review or at a phone review and you're looking like at the Galaxy Note 2 and then, the Galaxy S3 and you want to take down notes, you want to take down specs, you can also use HoverNote. I've reviewed this application before and I just bring it back up because it's in the category of floating widgets, I guess you can call it. So while you're playing or while you're doing your notes, while you're doing your notes, you can be watching a video at the same time as well too. And then, you can go ahead and do what you gotta do. It has a couple of options as well too.
It's not really new. We already saw how it was released back in Japan a couple of weeks ago. But the interesting part is that
It has a little bottom thing on it, and you actually have to hold it for you can minimize it and everything. And like I said, you can go anywhere on the screen and move it. And yeah, that's basically it. I mean, it's very useful. It's very quick. It loads up pretty quick. You can do it offline as well too. You know, I mean, if you're gonna be somewhere where there's no internet connection, or you know, somewhere where you know you're gonna be bored and stuck for a while, you can go on YouTube, copy a couple URLs, paste them down. Like I said, with your hover node, you can paste them down, and then here, let me get rid of these. Oh wow, it crashed. Oh well. Like I said, you can go into the application itself and then go to offline videos. And that's usually where you would copy and paste the URL, and then it would show you right there. So I mean, as simple as that. The next application I'm going to be reviewing is called, let me see if I can get it, Error Calculator. And you know, it's just something really simple. I mean, like I said, I'm just putting it out there because it's in the category of floating widgets. And again, like I said, you can use your hover node, you know, if you gotta do homework or, you know, whatever you gotta do. Oh, actually, it's just on its own simple. But, you know, you can do whatever you gotta do. And then, I mean, to me, it works pretty fine. So, I mean, it's useful right there. So that's one application, and let's just get that rid of there. And then the one that people speak about that no other tablet can do except the Galaxy Note or whatever, but it's actually called, let me see if I can get that. It's called Floating Browser. But usually when you click on it, this is what originally pops up already. You can click on the settings, and then you can open a new window, and then it brings up two of them. Takes you straight to Google. And you can even open another one. Let me see. This feature is only available for paid users. Oh, I guess you can only open two. But I mean, you know, two is still good enough. And whatever the cost is of the pro version, then, you know, it's just probably like $1 or $2. And it would get you a more bigger feature for you to actually have 4x2, you know, windows. So it's going to be much more easier. And like I said, you can go through it. Okay. And then you can, you know, work on both of them as well too. So, you know, if you're reading an article right here, you can be reading another one on the right one. And if you want to be watching a video, you know, multitasking, then like I said, just use the popcorn player, which I just reviewed, and, you know, it puts it out there. And yeah, that's my app review. Let me know what you guys think. I really enjoy making these videos for you guys. So please hit that subscribe button for you can get more app reviews like these. You know, hit that like, dislike. I always like to have the room to improve into my videos. And, you know, it's a little bit laggy, but I'm pretty sure on the pro version, it's much more quicker, or, you know, it has much more settings, or, you know, whatnot. I didn't even know there was a pro version. I just downloaded the application to review for you guys. But yeah, it's pretty much that simple, and you can minimize it, I'm pretty sure of it. Oh no, you can actually make it full screen. And then you can get rid of it. And once you get rid of it, it goes into your notification bar. So if, you know, you're doing something else and you need to get rid of them, then they're both in your notification bar. S1 and 2. And if you just want to bring out the second one, then it brings out the second one. Want to bring out the first, it brings out the first. And like I said, if you want to close it, just hit that X. And yeah, it's just that simple. So these are the applications I just reviewed: Floating Browser, Popcorn Player, and then Error Calculator. And I mean, they're all free on the Google Play Store. So, I mean, what do you have to lose? I mean, they're amazing applications. It puts you into multitasking if you're using it for school and work or both, or, whatever you gotta do. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Hit that like button, hit that dislike, subscribe, please, for more app reviews, and look out for that Starbucks gift card giveaway. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.